Solve 3x plus 8 equals 2x minus 5 in parentheses plus x. All right, we got a lot going on here. 3x plus 8 equals 2 parentheses x minus 5 close parentheses plus x. I see C and D are options. Okay, now A and B are options if we do everything and then we end up with x equals something. That is one answer. No solutions is if our variables disappear and we are left with an answer that does not make sense, like 12 equals 8. Infinitely many solutions is if at any point the left side and the right side become exactly the same. So let's see if either of those happens. First thing we're going to do is we need to distribute. So 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. Drop down everything else we didn't touch. 3x plus 8 equals blah, 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 plus x. Now you look at the left side and you look at the right side and see if you can combine like terms on any side. I can. On the right side, I have 2x plus x. So 2x plus x gives me 3x. Drop down the stuff you haven't touched yet. 3x plus 8 equals, get out of here, 3x minus 10. Now, if you have a variable on the left and a variable on the right, get rid of one of your variables. I'm going to subtract both sides by 3x to get rid of 3x on the right side. And you know what? I'm going to subtract 3x there. And if 3x minus 3x crosses out, then 3x minus 3x crosses out. What's left over? Positive 8, equal sign, negative 10. My variables disappeared. And since my variables disappeared, I look at what I have left over. 8 equals negative 10? No, it doesn't. So since 8 does not equal negative 10 and my variables disappeared, I have no solution. So this is one of those special ones. The answer is C. Look at my perfect circle. Very good.